Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is May the 7th, 2019 and the time is 3:45 a.m. GMT. So today we're gonna be looking at the Aussie Yen 30 minutes chart here. We can see that the pair has declined and this high here on April 30th is labeled as wave 2. From here we can see a 5 ways down in which the wave 1, the first wave here is in the form of a leading diagonal 1 2 3 4 5. So we got this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, ending with 1 of 3, and then we are now looking for an ABC correction. Okay, we are now looking for an ABC correction in which we do have with A here as a 5 ways 1 2 3 4 5, and then looking for this one is a flat, an expanded flat ABC, right? And then now looking for a select as another 5 ways up, potentially to reach this blue box to finish an ABC zigzag correction. And then from here, as far as this pivot here stays intact, we can see further downside in the pair and can resume lower again in the wave 3 of 3, right? Now stepping back, now looking at the larger degree, if we look at the 4-hour chart right here, we can see now, of course it's not a complete label. If you want to see the view of 4-hour or any other time frame, you can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. So over here we can see in the 4-hour chart, from the peak on April 17, we have what looks to be an impulsive move to the downside ending a 5 ways down. This one either ends with A or ends with 1 or the other, right? It can be an ABC or it can be a 1 2 3. Regardless, we have what looks like an impulsive move. We have a wave 2 or wave B correction, and then since then we have made a new low below this previous low. So we got what looks like either 1 2 3 or an ABC, and as you can see right here, if you measure the Fibonacci extension, we have not reached the 100%, which is 76.3. So as a guide, if you have an ABC in the C leg, typically is going to reach equal leg or equal to the first leg or equal to the A. So in this case, we have not reached the first. We have not reached the 100% of this first leg. Now sometimes we can see a truncation. Truncation is in where you got an ABC and then the C leg truncates or has not reached the 100% and ends this whole 3 swings. That sometimes happens, but overall, when when we are looking to forecast, when we're looking to kind of make the next decision, we always use the sort of the typical rules, typical guide in which zigzag C equal to A. So in this case, we're still favoring for the downside. There is nothing to suggest that the cycle is complete, right? And we can see, you can see that I'm drawing a trend line here going down from this peak here. Now as far as we stays below this channel, here or within this channel, okay, you need to keep favoring the downside, okay, and until it reaches at least 76.3, right? Now that doesn't mean I mean, you can see this one ABC 78 point, yeah, 78 more or less. That one is more or less at the trend line here as well. So if we can get another leg higher, we're gonna get rejected also by the same trend line and then starts to reverse on the downside. So again, if we do get a break and a close above this channel, then there is a possibility that something else happens and this cycle can be completed, maybe as an ABC, as a truncated ABC, and then we could see a bigger bounce if it can break and close above this channel. If not, then we continue to look for the downside at this point. Now again, it does not necessarily have to do another leg higher, right? I mean, we could have ended like this, for example. We could have ended ABC like this with a diagonal C, and then starting to reverse from here and then go to new low, right? can do like something like this. So it doesn't necessarily have to do another leg higher at all, right? But if it does another leg higher, then we expect the bounce on the rally to fail here at this blue box area, and then the pair to resume lower. So from here we can go to new low, or at least do a 3-ways pullback from here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time.